Hello, welcome back to Defense Info, a one-step solution for all your defense need. So, friends, today I bring you the information regarding the OTA SSB interview. It was conducted through the UPSC Combined Defense Service Examination 02 2020 for the Short Service Commission Non-Technical 114 course at the OTA. So, friends, it was conducted on 16 July to 20th July 2021 at 32 SSB board at the Selection Central North Kapurthala. The batch number is MSNL 92232. So friends, let's talk about the reported at 32 SSB Kapurthala. 53 reported in this batch. The figure is quite high because initially there were candidates who got document out and they have chosen the later day at the 32 SSB. That is the reason that 53 is the reported, and out of which 0 were freshers, 5 were screen outs, and 48 were repeaters, and out of this repeater 5 were already previously recommended. So friends, in this batch, the OIR Officer Intelligence Rating Test is concerned. DIPR booklet number 202 and 203 were provided. The level of this booklet was difficult, so no OMR sheet were provided to fill the bubble. So friends, as you know that Allahabad, Bangalore and the Bhopal is providing the OMR sheets. 45 questions were provided for each booklet, and the time interval was around 20 to 25 minutes for each. And this booklet consists of mathematical operations, figure series, and no single cube or dice related problems. So friends, let's talk about the PPTT picture which was shown over there. So this PPTT was shown was quite hazy. I mean, it was not clear, and it seems like a water body, river or lake, and two people were standing nearby. So friends, at 32 SSB Kapurthala, screening on that particular day, on that particular batch, 20 were screen in, and this include 0 screen out and 20 repeaters. So no screen out candidate got screen in, and as usual there was no freshers reported, and out of 48, 20 repeaters got in. Now friends, only 3 previously recommended candidate got screen in this batch out of 5. And let's talk about the interview question which was asked in the PI round. So friends, the important questions are how much water is needed to fill the interview room. So it was based on how many, volume will be taken to fill the room. And in case if you have took that number into meter, make sure you convert into liter. What is the type of engine in the bike, 2-stroke or 4-stroke, and you have to distinguish between them. Why do you wanted to join the Indian Army, and how to travel from your place to SSB board. So there were questions which was related to the highways, in what highways you will take in order to come in this area, and the railways, talking about the train, if you are coming from train, what is the train number, and which location it stopped, right? So the talking about the group discussion topic number 1, what is the biggest problem world is facing right now? So the lead points which was given was global pandemic, climate change, or the gap between the developed and the developing nation. Talking about the group discussion topic number 2, what do you think is hampering the youth from realizing their true potential? Is it the drug abuse, or the social media, or the opposite sex? Now talking about the lecturate, friends. So first topic was sports and games, judicial activism, artificial intelligence, Indian foreign relation or the policy, global terrorism, social media, and the e-commerce. Now friends, let's talk about the psychology test, TAT, VAT and all. If anybody have attended this batch, please pin down the TAT stories, all those TAT stories in the comment box itself. I will pin it down. So friends, the important one, that is the recommendation, friends. So the total recommendation from this batch was 0. Nobody got recommended, and batch was totally washed out. So friends, that is very unusual for a serious batch to get washed out, but it did wash out, though it have previously recommended candidates. So friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe our channel for latest information and updates, and friends, just hit the bell icon below to stay updated with the latest information from all the sports, and we will stay connected with you, providing you the latest informations. And friends, if you like this video, just share it among your friends for for your awareness purposes and to aware the fellow defense aspirant. Till then, friend, thank you very much. Meet you very soon.